Hey guys, Tuesday with a huge move to the upside here. I think my day is pretty much done. Like I'm with my Microsoft swing trade. Um yeah, if you guys are with Microsoft with me, congrats. If not, I'm sorry for you. No, but yeah, for me it's very difficult to trade after such a huge move pre-market. I love those moves, obviously, if I'm trading on the regular hours, but pre-market, at least for me, it's kind of difficult to trade after these big move. Um, so SPY is above the last level that I had, which was 444, and I think if I want to see upside continuation here, we need 44 to hold. Yeah. 44 was a big level here. We're way above that. The next one, I will say it's around 448. That will be the next one. And then 451, maybe? But are we gonna go above 448? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I find it kind of difficult that we're gonna have such a huge move in just one day. But this market's been crazy, crazy bullish. So for SPY, I will say just watching 448 and 444. Are we gonna hold 444, 443? I will say that level of support, or we're gonna go above 448. That's the level that I'm watching today on SPY. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna trade futures today. I don't like trading after huge move pre-market. For the Q, let's see. I don't have any level above. Damn, the Q is like huge. That's too high. Okay, so 384 is the level on the Q. 384. Look this huge move. 384 and then I will say 387.50 maybe. Yeah, I will say kind of it's a big level here. Um this one here. But yeah, 384, maybe a little bit above 384. That's a level to watch, but we have a huge gap here. Big gap. Um, but yeah, 384. We might see some rejection there and a little pullback. Are we gonna fill this entire gap? Ooh, find it difficult because the past few days the market's been making gap after gap and never filled those gap below. But yeah, 384 is the level to watch here. For individual stocks, my main watch is Roku, Tesla, and AMD. So and obviously Microsoft because I'm holding my swing trade. Roku, if you guys are on my Discord, you should know that my levels on Roku, AMD, and Tesla. Tesla is the gap. I want to see it holding 230. Roku, I want to see it holding 86. And AMD, I want to see it holding 120. If I see those hold, I might play the upside. You guys have, if you were on the stream yesterday, you know why I got into Microsoft or on my Discord. Okay, so I'm gonna take some profit here on Microsoft. Yeah, took a little bit of profit there. Damn, AMD. AMD just running above 120. Couldn't even give me like a little um consolidation there. Okay, so Tesla is pulling back a lot. We want to see Tesla holding 230. Roku, I want to see it holding 86. And AMD, I want to see it holding 120. Okay, so the Q is having a little bit of trouble here. But SPY is holding very, very strong. I kind of want to play the downside here on the Q because that's my level. But SPY is looking pretty bullish. And the market overall is very bullish. AMD 120. Okay. Ooh, that's an ugly rejection. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna play the downside here on the Q. It's a small, very small play because the market's very, very bullish. My stop loss is pre-market high. If it holds 384 as support, it's bullish. Again, this is a risky against the trend, most likely just a scalp for me trade because I'm going against the trend. Yeah, getting out. Okay, that's pretty bullish. Mm-mm-mm. Tesla is holding 230. I think a hold on 230 could be a very good entry to play the upside. I'm gonna try this again. The same. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I got in. It's the same trade. High risky, very risky. So if you don't want to lose money, don't get in this one. I like AMD how it's holding here above 120. Let's see, because Apple is looking weak, but the Q is holding pretty. The Q is looking very bullish. Yeah, I got out. That was a terrible trade. Both trades were horrendous. Let's see. Like this Microsoft hold here, that's this green line, it's my previous all-time high. So if you can keep holding all-time high, previous all-time high, I think it's gonna keep going higher. Um, Microsoft and Apple are looking weak. Tesla with that 230 hold looks pretty good. I don't know. Like I said before, I don't like trading after a huge move. Most of the time, my trading is horrendous after a huge move because it's like I don't trust the continuation. Um, and yeah, I don't like trading after a big pre-market move. Roku is looking pretty good also. Um, I feel like Tesla, some stocks are not even moving. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm I logged a lot of profits with Microsoft. I'm still holding some runners there, so I'm just gonna wait. I missed the move on Roku and I think on AMD too. Tesla is the only one that I can give you a opportunity that gave me an opportunity to enter, but I didn't took it. And the queue is moving it's moving, but it's moving very, very slow. Okay, I'm gonna enter here the long side on the queue. I'm just gonna hold these unless it breaks 384 or 383.70. Microsoft is holding very, very good, and same for Apple. We might have like a slow grind to the upside. If you guys are not in Microsoft, I think this pullback here to previous, like it's literally a break and retest on Microsoft. Can enter here with a stop loss on their like morning high. I don't like trading airlines. Airlines barely move. They barely move like 1 point. No, I'm not in short, I'm in long. Morning low. Morning low is it will be the stop loss. It looks like today is not my day, definitely. What do you mean the resistance become support? That's a technical analysis 101. When you're above resistance, that becomes support. That's super like basic trading. Mm, 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 mm. So yeah, Apple's looking weak. Microsoft is holding previous all-time high. SPY is going up. QQQ is barely moving. Are we gonna go higher in a very slow, like, are we gonna have like a very slow grinding day? Come on, Q, just move a little bit. Kind of worried because the SPY is about to hit the 448 level and the Q is barely moving. And, and Apple is looking weak, but Microsoft is holding. So I don't know, it's a weird morning. I don't think today is my day, definitely. Mhm. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen here. I think as long as the Q is holding 384, it's bullish. But I needed to like move because SPY move a lot without, and the Q didn't move at all. Mm, mm, mm. So I guess we just gotta be patient here. I think the best trade today is not trade anything. Hey Ryan, morning. Okay, I like that move. We need to break out of this morning high so we can have some continuation. I want to see the Q going to 387. That will be beautiful. So I can be green again. Because my first two trades were stupid. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, hola to everyone that is new here. Yeah, I know. I'm looking Apple too. Yeah, I'm worried because Apple is having trouble. Microsoft is having trouble too, and it's holding my level, but it's not looking too strong. And SPY is right at the 448 resistance. Nice. AI was looking great yesterday. It is above 27. Let's see AI. Oh yeah, it's at 30. Damn, that's crazy. Mm, if Apple loses 185.50. I don't know. I'm waiting and see how the Q is gonna react to this 384.50. Like as long as it holding there, and Apple holds, I will say, morning low. Am I 100% confident on this trade? No, because I don't like how a SPY it's at 448. But I think as long as the Q is holding 384, Microsoft is holding I would say around 370, and Apple is holding morning low, which is around 186.50. I think the Q can hold here. Like we can go higher. Oh, Fed speaking at 10? Ooh, that's probably gonna mess up my trade. I honestly don't watch volume, but if I'm not 100% sure on a trade, I will go. Like, if I think something is overextended and I'm not sure if I want to trade it or not, I will go and check the volume. Yeah. I'm trading the QQQ loan on futures, and I'm holding Microsoft from yesterday. I think Tesla looks pretty good. Um, Microsoft also looks amazing. I'm just not gonna enter more Microsoft because um I already in, but I think Tesla looks great. I'm gonna go with Tesla calls. Let's see, 235 weekly. It's a high risk because we have Fed speaking in like 2 minutes, 1 minute. But yeah, I like I like Tesla. And getting out of Tesla is loses 230. Let's put Tesla here. I like this break of 230. It's holding above, and this entire blue area, it's a gap. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I said 230. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here some contracts, logging some profits, just make sure I'm green, or at least I don't go more red. Mm, mm, mm. So my problem today was definitely not being patient enough and waiting for a good trade. Basically, um, what every single trader do, like biggest mistake when we uh like that's a problem that I have when the market makes huge move pre-market. That's why I said like when I started the stream that I don't like trading when the market makes huge move pre-market, because I know that I'm not the best trader um when the market moves like that. Microsoft is looking amazing. Love, love, love that Microsoft move. Anybody in Microsoft with me? Who swing Microsoft with me yesterday? No, Tesla's doing nothing. I wouldn't say it's weak because it's not going lower, it's just not doing anything. But Tesla move by itself. A lot of times doesn't move with the market. Not moving, but it's still holding 230 for me is good because I think it's just consolidation. I did sold at open. I sold some at open. I already sold some contracts on futures. What are you talking about? What are you saying, Tony? Mm, so Microsoft is it was very easy. You had one of the strongest um stocks the past few days, broke a new all-time high, went back down to 366, which was my level of support. So this is why I got in Microsoft yesterday. Give me 1 second. Just because I had it in my plan. Look, this is my pre-market plan yesterday. This, very simple. 366 was previous all-time high. So what Microsoft did yesterday, exactly that. Where is it? Like to perfection. Morning open, went all the way down, touched my 366 level, held there, and just went higher and then consolidate the entire day. And then if you see the daily candle, you have an inside. Yesterday was an inside candle after a huge move. That's very, very healthy when you have a huge move. You want a huge move, broke a strong resistance, which was 366. The next day, retested, held that resistance, gave you a inside candle, which is consolidation, pretty healthy, and then I just held because never broke my 366 level. And that was my plan. I had it here, pre-market plan. And I'm doing Tesla because I had that plan also today. Tesla. 220 or 330. Either or, it was the break and hold above 330 or the retest of 220. So just following my plan. I had AMD also, but I never got an entry. Roku, it just flew without me. Tesla, I'm just gonna hold unless it breaks my 3 230 level. Yeah, and yeah, I know swinging with CPI is risky, but I just trust my level. And I had an amazing day yesterday, so I was like, okay, is it worth it for me? Yeah. So I guess we had some news here that the market is moving lower. So again, I'm just following my plan. If Tesla loses 330 to 30, I'm getting out. If not, I'm just gonna hold Tesla. Apple is looking ugly. The 50-minute chart on Apple is looking ugly. If Apple doesn't hold the VWAP, mm-mm. So yeah, if Tesla holds 330, I'm still in. If Microsoft holds like morning low, I'm gonna keep holding my runners. And the Q, as long as is above 384, I think it's good. But Apple is looking pretty weak, which can bring the market down. Mm, 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 mm. Nvidia, let's see. I don't know, Nvidia is looking pretty weak. It just rejected my level, which is near 500, and you have a clear downtrend. So if it doesn't give you like a, you can, yeah, you can watch 490, maybe 489, but I will not try the upside here unless it gives you like at least a 30-minute candle that is bullish. But looks pretty, Nvidia is extremely weak. Why? If you want to play the upside, try to play one that is looking stronger than Nvidia. Apple kind of looking like it was like Tesla here, but a little bit better because it's holding the VWAP. You kind of have like a flag here, but this one can go either way because the pole is kind of in the middle. So, yeah, I think as long as Apple keeps holding VWAP, I think it's good to the upside. If it goes under the VWAP with a strong, like, bearish candle, I will say the 186.50 is very bearish. It was weak because when I was looking the 50-minute, it was under these two body candles. So if you can hold these bodies, it's still not that weak, but it was under. It was kind of like here. So when I was looking Apple with when you have a long wick at the top and the body was lower than the one before, that for me means that it's gonna fill this wick here. But I don't know. We need to wait until we see how it's gonna close the 15-minute candle. But so far it's looking weak. Everything is looking weak, honestly. Everything is looking weak, but it's holding. But you'll have confirmation after that 50-minute candle closes. Still have like 1 minute to go. Coin. Let's see what coin is doing. I will say under 92 is weak, but right now it's just this daily candle is super weird. So I don't know. I think if keeps holding 92.60, 93, is still like kind of bullish. Like not, yeah, you can have still like more upside here under 92, 91. I will say 91.60. It's pretty bearish. Are you watching the stream? or just or are you only hearing it? Okay, so we're doing nothing here. We're just waiting and see what's gonna happen. No, I use Tradeovate for futures. I use Apex and I use Tradeovate. So we have like I have like three more spots for the Black Friday 50% off mentoring program. So yeah, I have two more spots for that or three. Don't remember. But yeah, 50% off on the mentoring program. And one thing that I wanted to say is don't buy the mentoring program and then don't put in work. Like I have one person that it was with me and that person said that it was too much information for them. I was like, "What? Who like who pays for something and then it says that that is too much?" Like I couldn't understand that. That was like crazy for me. It said it was too much work and too much info. I was like, what? You have the entire info on my Discord, and you have the link also there. So you have the price, and it's 50% off with the Black Friday code. It's 2 weeks. The price is 2 weeks. The price is, let me check, 19.99 and minus 50%. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like I could not understand that. Yeah, right. Like for me, it's insane. Like people want to learn how to trade, but then you tell them what to do and they don't do it. They make a bunch of excuses. Um, and then I'm like, how do you wanna like be a trader if you don't put in the work? Like trading is very hard. Guys, like I said, if Tesla doesn't break my stop loss, I'm not gonna get out. I don't care if it is like 100% down. If it is not breaking my stop loss, I'm not gonna get out. I'm just following my plan. Um, Because I don't hold based on how much I'm losing or winning. I'm hold based on my levels. I don't trade based on how much I'm losing. Also, I've been having like such a huge, big green week that $200 or $400 per account is nothing. Obviously, losing is not good or not fun, but if it's not breaking my level, I just follow my plan. Like, okay, this is how uh trading should be. You should have a plan, right? And if it doesn't break your level, you just don't get out. That's it. Follow your plan. You should not be trading based on how much you're losing. You should be trading based on your plan. So if you're feeling like comfortable, uncomfortable, or you're feeling like emotional because you enter Tesla and Tesla is going lower, you shouldn't be trading that one. You cannot feel emotional on a trade. Maybe you had a bad entry, maybe it's too expensive for you that trade. Maybe you put a big size on that trade. There's so many things that can make you like getting out of the trade right before it goes on your way. Or maybe it's gonna make you lose money, but if you cannot handle entering a trade and not following the plan, why enter in that trade? If you have a small account, you shouldn't be trading either Nvidia or Tesla. You should be trading um, cheaper contracts like Apple, AMD, Spotify, Roku, I think is also cheap. You should not be trading Nvidia or Tesla. This is like this type of move is all about patience, just like yesterday. If you get, if you have, if you're good plotting your levels and you trust your levels, and you have seen how those levels work before, you shouldn't be afraid to enter your trades at your levels. And if it never breaks that level, you just hold. That's it. Just look, Microsoft and Apple, they're both are barely moving, but both are holding the levels. Like Apple, clear consolidation, not doing much, but it's holding. So if you enter Apple, why getting out? If it's never like it's not showing you any signs of losing the trend, or at least losing support. Same with Microsoft. Microsoft is doing nothing, but it's holding my level. The Q is not moving much, but again, it's holding my level. Tesla is doing nothing, but again, it's above my level. The thing is, like, you should not, like, trading is not about time. Like, you should not, like, be thinking how long should I hold this. You should be thinking is what's my next resistance or my next PT or the next level that I want to sell. That's it. Not how long do I need to hold this, because this, like, let's just say the Q just stays this entire day here, above 384. I just had to, like, hold my trade or decide if I want to just lock profits here and get out. Yeah, no problem. I'm pretty happy you guys are here. Thank you for the support, and thank you for the likes and for subscribing. Another thing is, like, we bought weekly and today is only Tuesday. So we have a lot of time for our trades, at least for Tesla and Microsoft. Yeah, exactly. Trading should be 100% robotic. Just enter at your level, get out at your levels, that's it. No emotions. So again, for everyone that is sending me DMs, you have the okay, so for everyone sending me DMs about the mentoring, you just go to my Discord, and if you wanna see details about what it include, you go to just Elite Mentoring, and you have the entire info here. I want you guys to read it. Really read that. If you don't understand anything or you want extra info, just DM me. But please don't DM me before reading this. And then go to, if you wanna, you have the Black Friday 50% off. Code is Black Friday. So you have the info here. You can see also here on announcement, the last announcement that I post is the Black Friday 50% off trading secrets mentoring program. You have this, you can sign up here. This is the link, and this is the link for the mentoring info. So you have all the info here. if the I have the 50K account, I have the 100 static, and now I have a few 25K. I prefer the 25K now. Um so Joy. It's maybe because all the spots are already taken. If you cannot use the Black Friday code, it's because just send me a DM because that's maybe all the spots are taken. I only have a few spots left. I had a few spots left. What's VCDA? So again, if you cannot use the Black Friday code, DM me. So Tesla is looking great. The Q is looking great. The Q play is looking good. Finally green. Let's see if we're gonna keep going higher here. Microsoft is looking amazing. I'm mad that I missed the AMD play. Look how perfect AMD like retested my level and then just went higher. That's insane. AMD, that 119.50, 120 level was like perfect. My target is the next resistance on the Q. Nice. It's all about trusting the plan. So if it is, Joy, send me a DM. If you don't trust the plan, just don't enter the trade. Yeah, I know. I wanted Tesla to open uh near 230 and just consolidate a little bit there and then play the upside here without that gap fill. Like we still have like Tesla still it didn't fill the entire gap pre-market. Still have like let's see, $6 more to go. But yeah, but still, it's looking great. It's not doing anything, but it's not looking bad. For at least for me, it's not looking bad. I don't think Tesla is looking bad. Okay, if the code is not working, it means you gotta send me a DM. If the code is not working for you, send me a DM. DM is a message on Discord. Send me a message on Discord. I'm gonna sell one more here just to log a little bit. You don't use Discord? What's your Discord username so I can search you and send you a message? So maybe it's easier for you that way. Yeah, I don't get it. So how do you find my stream if you're not on Discord? I'm just curious. YouTube? Okay, so YouTube? Nice. What's your email? I'll email after I finish the stream. Nice, nice. That's so sweet. Thank you, Donnie. What? I don't think that email is right. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's why I was asking because most of you guys know me from Vin's Discord. Okay, so Apple is kind of breaking down, but it's still holding VWAP, but it's looking Apple is looking weak, like very weak. This 50-minute candle is about to close, and that's very weak. You have one big red candle, and then you have three very weird small green candles, and then the next one is a big engulfing candle. So Apple is looking pretty weak. If doesn't hold the VWAP, it's gonna go to 186.50. Joy, what's your email? I'll email you later today. Thanks, Steph. Thank you. Okay, so very, very slow grind. Weird, weird day, but honestly, we shouldn't be like surprised with with a day like today, like a very slow day after such a huge move pre-market. It's just like difficult to trade like that. Yeah, the movement was pre-market. I think it's after such a move like that, we like mentally we cannot understand that the market that can keep going higher, or we have a bias that the market is gonna pull back at least a little bit. Uh, who's Patrick? Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna start look him up. Let's this guy. I think I saw one of his videos. Right. No, I don't think I ever seen one of his videos. Is he good? The best YouTube trader. Oh, nice. That will be awesome. Just make sure I don't get flagged with copywritten. That's why I don't put music here on the stream. I need to like do like a quick search for that. He's wild. He's very risky. His trades are very risky. Oh, thanks, Veronica. Thank you. So I'm debating if I want to sell one more and just leave two or one runner, just because I want to end the day green. If I end the day flat or just a little bit green, it's more than enough for me. I just don't want to end the day red. I'm kind of waiting to see if Apple is gonna boom boom or die. So far we kind of had this uptrend. We can also say the Q is holding the support here, around here. So basically holding the 90 MA. On the hourly, let's see. No. It's only gonna, on the hour, you only have one trade, one candle and a half. So no, you need first of all you need the second candle to close and then see where the third candle is gonna open, or the low of the third candle. But so far, this could easily be just, no, you need a better, like, wait until the second candle closes and the next one opens. You only have one candle. The other one is not closed. Yes, I am on Tesla. I'm holding Microsoft Runner, and I'm on futures trade. Mm-mm-mm. I want to see this 5 minute candle closing, holding this support. In future, so I did two stupid trades playing the downside here, and then this one that it's the only one good that I did today on futures is the hold of this 384 level. So I don't remember exactly where I entered here, but you'll see it on the if you go back on the stream or later when I put the timestamps on this video. This is getting super slow. Yeah, I will say honestly, if I didn't have the stream, I would not be trading today because I know how I trade and I know that my trading is not good with these type of days. Like I think trading when it comes to trading it's very important to understand that you're gonna have good days for you and the days that you're very comfortable with your trading or very like you think you're entering a plus setup or the market is giving you like a very good entry. Just go with heavier size the days like today, like you know that it's not your trade, that are not your day, just don't trade or go with very small size. I'm swinging Microsoft from yesterday, Microsoft 370 calls. Okay, let's see. This is another one. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Are we gonna go back to 384 again? Damn. Yeah, in a few trades. Okay, let me see if we're gonna hold here or not. Mm, uh, mm, 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 mm. So yeah, pretty choppy market. Pretty choppy. Maybe a head and shoulder here. Maybe. Spice look is holding pretty good. It's only the Q that is going lower because Apple is looking extremely weak. Let's see, I want to see the Q going above the 90 MA. Yeah, the browser. The browser for trading view. Yeah, and I like to use one um window for each chart. Oh, Tesla, Tesla. Is Tesla gonna break out here? Are we gonna have a breakout here on Tesla? Let's cross our fingers. This is like where we are today is tricky. No, not the free version. I pay for data on TradingView. So we are on a tricky place because okay, the Q and SPY are holding very good, both especially SPY. Microsoft is holding very good. It's not doing anything, but it's holding. But Apple, Apple is extremely weak. Look this 30-minute chart. Apple looks like it wants to go way lower, but it's not moving. It's just going slowly down and it's dragging the Q down. No, I have another screen, a small one, where I have the software that I use for the stream. I also watching the stream just in case is something is not working, and I also have Discord there. So I have one screen for my OBS software for YouTube and Discord, and the screen that you guys are watching, it's a like a wide screen, and YouTube only let you like stream like a small portion of that screen. So I have two more charts that you guys are not seeing. So that's why you guys sometimes you guys see me looking this way because I have more stuff this way in the other screen, and I have two more charts also on this screen that you guys are looking at. I don't remember. The one that I have here is a small one. It's not too big. I just got this the other one that you guys are not looking only for Discord and the software that I use for the stream. I don't remember. It's a wide screen, but I don't remember how many inches. Maybe I can look that on my Amazon history. Let me see. Oh, it's at 34 inches. Um, so I just in the morning I post my watch list here. I post my levels on Spy and the Q levels here on my Discord, and then I post my watch list. So you basically have my pre-market plan, and then based on only those like 3 or 4 charts, um, I see how those stocks are moving, and then I pick which one I like the most. So basically, I pick based on how it's reacting to my levels, just like Tesla right now and Microsoft. So pre-market, I post what levels I'm watching on Spy in the queue in my watch list, and then I just trade based on that. Yeah, I'm still holding Tesla. For me, there's no reason why to sell Tesla. Again, if we're holding 330, there's no reason for me to sell. I'm just following my plan. A lot of time is just about being patient. See, like today at this time, most of the time I'm just done with my day. And I'm still holding this Tesla and the Q play because the market is moving extremely slow. I don't think this is a head and shoulder. Something about head and shoulder is that you want to play a head and shoulder when the trend it's in a downtrend. You want to play a inverse head and shoulder where when you are in an uptrend. No, I never did. It was always 230. Always 230. I haven't touched Tesla at all. I'm only speaking about Tesla because you guys are asking about Tesla. No, I haven't changed my plan. No, I don't use futures. I never check ES and NQ. I don't trade based on futures. I trade based on SPY and the Q. So we're looking good. We're looking good. DT. I think DT had earnings, right? Or it's have earnings today when already had earnings. Pre-market? Oh, it had earnings today or it was pre-market? I think it was pre-market. Well, it looks like as long as it's above 304, it's bullish. So already, well, you can say 307, it's another level. Why I had 304? The level is 300. 300. And then I will say around 3, let's see. 306.50, around there. Maybe. Or no, I like more. 307. Yeah, 307 is your next resistance. So you can either wait until holds above 307 with a very strong candle, or you can wait for a pullback, but I don't know where it's gonna be the pullback. I will say 308. If you can hold 308, I will wait for a day or two until it give you a consolidation above a strong support, and then I will look to play this one. Mm, 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 mm. That's an ugly reaction there. If the queue closes this 30-minute candle like that, uh, that's extremely bearish. And it looks like it's gonna do the head and shoulder here. Just because Apple is dying. This is getting super choppy. Finally break even, nice. I'm a little bit red on futures and green big on Microsoft. And I should be green also on Tesla. So I'm more than fine. I just want like close my futures green and that's it. Or at least flat. I'm gonna wait and see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. We needed to hold here. But it's not looking too good. Mm -mm -mm. Apple is dead. And it's dragging the queue down. I don't know how to explain the size on futures. I think it's better if you look YouTube videos about futures because honestly I'm kind of new in futures, so and also I because I don't use my own money, I use a prop firm. I don't really pay attention about how much money it is on a futures play. So if you want to, I will say honestly, if you really want to learn about futures, just watch a basic futures video. I'm not the best person for you to learn about futures because I'm still new. Obviously, I know the basics. Um, and I'm trading future because I'm doing it very good. And I think if you're a good trader, you can trade anything: futures, crypto, stocks, options. You just need to learn the basics. But yeah, I will say if you guys really want to learn about futures, like how much money you need to put in, how much money you're risking per trade, all that, there's a bunch of good YouTube videos about it. Well, it depends when you enter your trade, right? The entry for me is the most important thing on a trade. If you had a good entry, you shouldn't be like having a huge loss, right? Okay, I don't like this 30-minute candle how it's about to close. It's closing very weird and weak. I needed like to go higher here to close with a bigger body. Even if it is with a wick at the top, I needed like a green body here. If you enter here, obviously you're gonna be red. You enter it at the top, it's too far from the VWAP, like you had a really bad entry. Ooh, have a great day, Jay. Have a good day, Jay. It's different because when you're trading shares, you have no leverage. When you're trading futures, you have. Futures are contracts, but it's different from options because you have no Greeks. Nice, nice. Congrats. So how many times you guys are gonna ask me about Tesla? What's the plan on Tesla? What's the plan on Tesla? What's my plan on Tesla? Well, if you already have two accounts, you have 11 more to go. I have 13 PAs. My plan is to get to 20. But if you only have one, that's pretty good. The difficult it passing a evaluation account is very easy. The difficult thing is to keep your PAs, and that takes consistency. That's it. Mm, okay, so this is not looking too good. In fact, I kind of feel like playing the downside here, but first it needs to lose this support, which it looks like it's gonna do it. Well, we'll see. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so far I've been paid around I think around 7K on my futures account. But you need to keep in mind that, let's just say, like yesterday, I had a 5K day, right? But that was around a little bit above $400 per account. And I cannot get paid 5K. I only get paid, um, so it's not like 5K together. I can apply for a paid on each account, not just one. Okay, void. Give me one. I need to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. If it closes under that level on the queue, I'm getting out. Yeah, I did blow up a few accounts the beginning because I didn't really pay attention to the rules. I could understand the trailing stop rules, and then when I got my first few PAs, I didn't understood how much money I was able, um like how much, what was my P&L that I needed to be on the PA account. So how much money I needed to leave in my PA account. But now that I understand how everything works, like I really pay attention to the rules, I'm good. I'm getting out. Um, Apple and Microsoft are looking pretty weak. Maybe just got out early. I don't know. Maybe. I use Apex. If this thing just stopped me out here, I'm gonna be so mad. Yeah, you can say it's bearish, but the 15 and 30 minutes it's holding. Have a great day. Yeah, I should be doing the same thing. I should end it here. But I like this hold. I like this hold here. The thing is that I don't like how weak Apple is. And that's dragging the Q lower. Um, it's not based on percentage. It's based by a number. So yeah, I will. It's better if you can go to their website and they explain you what number you need to have on each account depending which one you have. So if I'm sorry, excuse me, the 50K or the 100K or the 25K, they have different numbers, different P&L that you need to leave on your PAs. This is Trade-O-Bait. This is Trade-O-Bait. That is linked to my Apex accounts. Yeah, no break fit far. Um, this is Apex link. So make sure if you want to trade on this platform, make sure you pick the Trade-O-Bait account, not the Ninja or Rhythmid accounts. Go with the Trade-O-Bait accounts. I kind of want to wait how and see how this 50-minute candle is gonna close, or this 30-minute candle is gonna close, and see how it's gonna open the next one. Because if it can hold here, it's kind of bullish. If it loses this support, it's bearish. What is the benefit? You're only paying like $30 or $40 per a account, and you don't need to risk your money. You don't risk your money. Oh, Trade-O-Bait, you can trade with Trade-O-Bait, you can link it to TradingView also. Yeah, everyone is waiting for Tesla to move. Ooh, Apple it was weak, but it's still holding like Friday high, which is kind of bullish. This is if Apple can keep holding Friday high, it's pretty bullish. I'm kind of feeling tempted to play a little upside here. But I don't think I'm gonna, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna do it. But I do like how this 30-minute candle is looking so far. But it's about to be lunchtime, so the best thing would be to wait until it goes back to at least the VWAP or 384. Yeah, maybe, but I don't know because we are in November and then comes December. So this is a Christmas rally. A little bit early, I will say. Okay, I'm liking that holder. I'm gonna go with the upside here. Apple is holding Friday high. The Q is holding here. Tesla is looking great. Microsoft keeps holding around this 370 level. No, I'm using futures, but if you're trading, don't never use zero DTE, never. Okay, I like that move on Tesla. Tessie, Tessie, Tessie. No, no. I'm doing options only on like stocks, not on SPY in the queue. Like I'm doing options mostly on the big seven, the fund stocks. Not really, because if the market doesn't do anything, your zero DT is gonna die. With futures, nothing's gonna happen. So a day like today is not is like a horrible day to trade options. With the market moving so slow, yeah, not good. No bueno, malo. Yeah, exactly. You buy a Apex account, evaluation account, you pass, then you get a PA, and that's the real one. That's the real deal. Mm, Today is such a boring day. I'm hungry. Mm, 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 mm. This is my last trade. If this doesn't work out, I'm getting out of here. I'm still holding Tesla and Microsoft, but when it comes to futures, not trading anything else. Damn, what was that? Did we got any news here? Bearish on anything. Everything's looking bearish. Was that news? Well, what happened there? That was a weird move. Mhm. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close, if it's gonna hold here. Microsoft is starting to look pretty bearish. Okay, I got out. Okay, that's it. Red day for me. almost 400 down on 390 on each one. I knew it was gonna be a red day for me on futures because I hate days like today when we have like, but that move looks like a news move. Watch the 384 on the Q, 448 on SPY. I'm still holding Tesla unless it breaks 230, which is kind of far from there. And Microsoft, let's see, if it closes below morning low, I'm getting out of the rest. It might be just a dip, but I'm not gonna keep trading here. Like I had an so far, I'm having an amazing day the last few days, so I don't want to ruin it. It's already ruined with futures, with my futures account. So yeah, that's it. Bad day today. On futures, awesome day with options. Huge win with Microsoft and green on Tesla. But yeah, you guys know what's my plan on Tesla. You guys know what's my plan on Microsoft. Make sure to just manage your trade if you are on those two with me. But yeah, thank you guys. See you mañana. Bye.